Google just released a new feature that allows users to embed linked Google Form charts into Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Drawings. Here is an example of a Google form I created asking students what their favorite season is. In your Google form, click on the Responses tab. To the right of the Google Form chart, click on the Copy Chart icon. Navigate to a Google Slide, Google Doc, or Google Drawing. Right-click and select Paste. You'll notice there are two options, and I will explain and show you the difference. The first option is Link to Form. This means that users have the ability to update the chart in real time, which I will show you in a little bit. The second option is Paste Unlinked, which means users can paste a static copy of the chart, meaning it will not update if other students complete the form. On this first slide, I'm going to paste a chart that is linked to the form. On the second slide, I'm going to paste a chart that is unlinked. Let's compare the two. When we click on the slides, they look exactly the same. However, when I click on the chart, you'll notice the chart that is linked to the form has an icon that provides linked chart options, including Open Source, which opens up my Google form in a new tab, Unlink, which we don't want to do, and Linked Objects, which opens up a Linked Objects sidebar and tells me the name of the Google form this chart came from. If we click on the second slide, which includes the unlinked chart, there are no icons or options available because this unlinked chart is meant to serve as a snapshot or moment in time in which this data was collected. Now let's navigate back to the Google form and assume a new student has submitted an answer. Now when we navigate back to our Google form results, you'll notice we have 5 responses instead of 4. When we navigate back to our Google slide deck, you'll notice that the linked chart did not update. That is because users have to manually refresh the chart. To do this, click on the chart and click Update. As mentioned before, the unlinked chart has no option to refresh. I also want to point out that if you share a Google slide or Google Doc that has a linked chart in it, only the owner of the Google form can refresh the embedded chart. For example, if I share this Google slide presentation with a student or another teacher and they are not the owner of the Google form, they will not be able to refresh the chart, even if I give them editing access. Let's see what that will look like. I'm going to share the slide deck with a student. I'm going to give the student editing access. Now I'll navigate back to the Google Form survey and I will submit another response. As you can see, we now have 6 responses and the Google slide deck has not been updated yet. I'm going to open up my test student account. As the test student, when I click on the Google Forms chart, I can see the icon. Now I can open the source, which will bring me back to the Google form, and I can view linked objects. Because I am not the owner of the Google form or have editing access to the Google form, you'll notice that it says the title is currently unavailable. I also don't have the option to refresh. If I give this student view only access, you'll notice that the student can click on the chart, and when they click on the icon, the only option available to them is open source, which takes the student back to the Google form. One thing I'm disappointed about is if you have a chart embedded in a Google slide deck and you are giving a live presentation, unfortunately you can't click and refresh while in presenter mode. You would have to exit presenter mode, manually update the chart, and return to presenter view. Although this feature has a few quirks, I'm still excited about it, and I still think teachers and students will find it valuable. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.